Welcome to Oil and Gas Investor Headlines for the week ending in April 14th. I'm your host, Heather Houghton. There's still time to register for the Energy Capital Conference taking place in Austin, Texas next week. Just go to energycapitalconference.com for more. Our top story is the latest sign that a Haynesville shale resurgence is real. Vine Resources recently set a $500 million price tag on its IPO. The company said the Haynesville reemergence centers on increased well economics driven up by enhanced drilling and completion techniques. Exco Resources is also jumping in on the Haynesville action, announcing this week it would sell $300 million worth of Eagle Ford assets to fund drilling in the East Texas and Louisiana shale play. Venado Oil and Gas agreed to buy Exco's interests in oil and natural gas properties in South Texas. Turning now to BHP Billiton. In a public showdown over the company's assets and structure, BHP rejected a high-profile stockholders' proposal to spin off its Eagle Ford Shale and Permian Basin oil business. Hedge funds Elliott Associates and Elliott International proposed reorganization in a letter to shareholders. However, BHP said it sees more risks than reward coming from realignment. The company also rejected the suggestion of abandoning its dual-listed company structure into a single company. Elliott said, quote, a first-class portfolio of assets which are failing to deliver optimal value for shareholders. In a blast of A&D activity, March delivered $24.3 billion in deals, with one thing in common: major exits from Canadian oil sands. By comparison, in 2016, all A&D value in the Delaware Basin totaled roughly $20 billion. For more on these stories and others, head on over to oilandgasinvestor.com. See you next week.
To stay up to date on the most recent Hart Energy videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking here.